Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Does the scorching heat and soaring temperatures of summer feel unbearable? Imagine scooping up a spoonful of cool, refreshing, creamy mango delight. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to beat the summer heat with our perfect homemade, deliciously creamy mango ice cream. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for the ice cream: 3 ripe mangoes or more if required, 4 cups or 1 liter of full cream milk, 5 tablespoons of corn flour, 4 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 200 ml of condensed milk, 250 ml of dairy whipping cream which has around 30% fat, 1 pinch of salt. Keep a bowl in the freezer for chilling as it will be required later for whipping the cream. In a bowl, add half cup of pre-boiled full cream milk. Add 5 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it nicely. Ensure there are no lumps in the mixture. Your corn flour slurry is ready. Step 2. Preparing the milk mixture. On medium-low heat, in a wide-open, heavy-bottom pan, boil 3.5 cups of full cream milk. Keep boiling the milk until the quantity has reduced by half. Once the milk has reduced in quantity, add 4 tablespoons of milk powder and stir it continuously, making sure that there are no lumps and the milk powder has dissolved completely. Then add 1 cup of sugar and stir it nicely. Now add 200 ml of condensed milk and stir it properly. Stir continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Ensure the sugar is dissolved completely. Once everything is mixed well, add the corn flour slurry while stirring continuously. The mixture will start to thicken over time. Stir it continuously to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Add a pinch of salt and stir well. To check if the mixture is ready, make a clean line on the spoon covered with milk mixture. If the line holds without the mixture immediately coming back together, the mixture is ready. If not, then cook it for some more time and repeat this test. Once the mixture is ready, remove the pan from the heat and let it cool completely. Step 3. Preparing the mango puree. You will need 3 or more ripe mangoes. To get 1 cup of mango pulp and half a cup of mango pieces. Cut the mangoes into cubes. Do not use the threaded variety of mangoes for making ice cream. Only use the pulpy mangoes like Alfonso or the Goan Mankurat, as they have a smooth texture of pulp and has less liquid content, which generally creates ice particles in the ice cream. Carefully remove the mango pulp, avoiding the skin and seed. Half a cup of mango pieces and 1 cup of mango pieces are ready. In a mixer blender, add 1 cup of mango pieces to make mango puree. Do not add any water. Keep aside half cup of mango pieces for adding later in the ice cream and for garnishing. Blend it nicely. Mango puree is ready. Step 4. Preparing the mango milk mixture. In the same mixer blender in which you made the mango puree, add the cooled milk mixture and blend it nicely. Mango milk mixture is ready. Pour the mango milk mixture in a mixing bowl. Step 5. Preparing the whipping cream. Remove the bowl from the freezer and add 250 ml of dairy whipping cream. Ensure the whipping cream is chilled before you begin to whip. The whipping cream should be kept in the refrigerator a day earlier. Whip the cream gently using a hand mixer. We have used dairy whipping cream which generally doesn't contain sugar, but you can use a veg-based non-dairy whipping cream which contains sugar, but then you will need to adjust the overall sugar quantity accordingly. Let soft peaks appear. Be careful not to overwhip, otherwise it will turn grainy or it will cuddle. Once soft peaks appear, whipping cream is ready. Step 6. Preparing the mango ice cream. Add the whipping cream in the mixing bowl containing the mango milk mixture. Using a hand mixer, combine it properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Check for sweetness and add powdered sugar if required. Add some of the cut pieces of mango and mix it well. Pour the mixture in a container and cover it tightly to avoid any ice formation, and let it set in the freezer for few hours. Step 7. Churning the mango ice cream. After a couple of hours or after it is half set, remove the container from the freezer. Empty the ice cream mixture in a mixing bowl. Then blend or whip it again. This step of churning the ice cream ensures that the ice cream becomes soft and creamy and doesn't contain any ice particles. Pour the mixture back in the container, spread and level it evenly. Garnish with the remaining cut pieces of mango. Cover it tightly to avoid ice formation and let it set in the freezer. Let the ice cream remain in the freezer for at least 24 hours before serving. Step 8. Serving the mango ice cream. Let the ice cream remain in the freezer for at least 24 hours. Remove the ice cream container out of the freezer 5 minutes before serving. Scoop the ice cream and serve it immediately. This ice cream is more creamier and firmer compared to the store-bought ones. It also doesn't melt as fast. Delicious mango ice cream is ready. Beat the heat this summer with your delicious homemade mango ice cream.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.